Okay, today I'm going to show you a demo of the app this far. So this is a minimum viable product, meaning it's not the full solution. It's basically demonstrates the core functionality of what I want Sebenza to be. And what is Sebenza? So Sebenza is an app that provides a platform for workers and households or homeowners to connect. And the idea is to make work more visible. So that's the vision, to make work visible. Okay, so let me take you to the app. So this is the home screen, and once you've logged in and you've um, registered all of your information, either as a worker or as a homeowner, you'll uh, you'll be able to use the app. So just to show you how a homeowner would view this app. So they would be able to see, they'd be able to find workers. So when you click find on workers, you have two options of finding a worker, either by the category of work. So for example, if you were looking for a nanny, general worker, gardener, you'd be able to go into that um, option and see all of the workers there. Okay, you could search by all the workers, and here you'd be able to filter on the area that they're in. And there's some other options here as well that you could search on, right? Whether they have a valid ID or if they have a police clearance certificate. Okay. And once you click on a worker, their profile is brought up, and it gives you some basic information about them, if they've uploaded their ID and it's been validated, if they have a police clearance certificate, if they're currently actively seeking employment, their address, the area of work, and so on. Um, so they should also be uh, availability here. So you could see when they're available. Hmm, yeah. Okay. And then once you're happy with this worker and you're interested in hiring them, you'd basically connect with them, and you'd be brought up, a chat would be brought up, right? And you'd be able to talk to them in app. So you don't have to save their number, chat to them on WhatsApp or whatever. Um, the chat is in app or native to the app, um, and that's a benefit. So you don't have to, if you're looking at maybe going through 3 or 4 workers to see who's suitable for you, you don't want to necessarily save their numbers to your phone. Okay, so that's the um, basic functionality of uh, of the homeowner role, right? And wherever you have active chats, you'd be able to see it on that menu item. Okay, and you'd also be able to update your profile. So um, if you change addresses for some reason, you'll be able to update your information there. Okay, so if I were to show you how a worker would view this screen or this app, so they'd also have a menu item. Um, they'd be able to update the information, basic information, area they work in, what kind of services they offer, their availability, their bio, and the years of experience. Okay, all right. One thing that I forgot to mention um, on the worker screen is you'll be able to see ratings, right? Um, I'm still working on the comments, so let's say if you want to leave a review, you could, and you'd put in a comment, say, okay, Ella is a hard worker. Okay, so you'd see the ratings, the number of ratings increased from 3 to 4. Right, so that's how far I am with the MVP. I'll be adding in a screen to show the different comments, so you would be able to see um, from a work experience perspective how this worker has been working and what people say about them. Okay, so that's the basic functionality of it. Um, yeah, and it's going to be free to workers, and I'm planning to make it free to the homeowners as well. But the whole idea is to have a large user base, so as many people on it as possible to sustain the app. So the idea is to monetize it through m- through allowing businesses to market to those users on the app. Okay, if you're interested in um, updates on how this app is coming along, um, please like and follow this page. And yeah, I plan on making this MVP live before the end of 2025. Stay tuned.